Is it Valentine's Day already? Oh, shoot. So, it's Valentine's Day. What are you gonna do? You have to do something. You have to blow your partner's mind, right? We don't have much time. So, I'm going to lay out a sexual scenario, if you will, that will blow your partner's mind on Valentine's Day. Do these things and your Valentine's Day sex will be incredible. And you might even have sex the day after Valentine's Day because of it, instead of next Valentine's Day when you meet someone new. So there you go. Alright, step number 1 is set the ambiance, set the tone. You have to start texting your girlfriend or your partner or your guy friend or whoever your Valentine is. You gotta start texting them early in the morning. Wish them a happy Valentine's Day and say, I have something in store for you. Something sexually in store for you. Don't use those words exactly. Make it more sexy, you know? I have a big thing planned, if you catch my drift. A big thing, you know? It's gonna be 30 seconds in heaven, basically. Okay? So, send these texts throughout the day. Make sure they're getting those sexy little messages. Or if you're with them all day, since it's a Sunday, so you might not have to text them. If you're with them all day, just tell them some sexy things. Say, I can't wait to do this certain thing to you later tonight that I have planned. Or I have this sexy thing planned for you later, and we're gonna make it happen. What you're doing is you're building anticipation to the amazing sexual experience. They're getting horny, they're getting aroused, they're getting psychologically stimulated. They're gonna be ready for this Valentine's Day sex. Step 2 is that you have to prepare your room. Make it sexy, make it romantic. Light some candles or something. Put some rose petals down, for gosh sakes. It's Valentine's Day. You should be able to find these things. Get them some chocolates or something stupid like that. Anyway, yeah, make it sexy, make it romantic. Actually put some effort into the atmosphere, the room in which you're going to experience this sexual transcendental experience. Adorn your bed with lights like I have here. But make it, make it sexy. If this is something you always have, like me, because I'm always ready for Valentine's Day, then, do something that spices it up a bit. Get the atmosphere going. Because now they've been thinking about this sexual experience all day, and then they're entering in a room where they can just lose themselves completely to that sexual experience, and it's going to be mind-blowing, okay? And there might be some other kind of blowing in there, other than mind. So, that's cool, right? Step number 3 is eliminate any distractions. Put the phones away. Get rid of all that stuff. You don't want anything to interrupt your love-making session because it's going to get steamy. You're going to spend some time in that room and you don't want anything to pull your partner out of that experience, thinking about other things. That's going to take away from the amazing, incredible pleasure that you're about to bring them. Okay? Step 4, get a blindfold. You know why? Because you're going to put that on them. Not you, because you're going to be in control of the experience. They are going to be wearing the blindfold because it's sensual, it's sexy. They have been anticipating this sexual experience all day if you've been talking to them sexy. And so that blindfold is going to drive them nuts. They have no idea where this sexual experience is going to go. And it's in your hands. They're going to be unbelievably horny at this point. So pretty much anything you do is going to work. But put that blindfold on and move on to step number 5. Step number 5 is now you're getting into the dirty deed, What I want you to do, once they're blindfolded, whisper in their ear some sweet nothings. Tell them how sexy they are. Make it loving. It's Valentine's Day. Tell them how much you love them, how much you want them, how much you're going to get from them, how much you're going to give them. Tell them that you're going to blow their mind, that they're sexy as hell and you want them right now. But they also have to wait because you got things planned. Make sure you're continually whispering in their ear little sexy messages. Keep that dirty talk going because that's going to keep their mind present in that experience. They don't have anything to look at right now because they're blindfolded, so give them something to listen to. Which leads me to step number 6, which is beyond giving them something to listen to, give them something to feel. This is where you're going to give them a little massage. It's not going to be sexual in nature in the beginning. Maybe start with their feet, give them a nice foot massage, put them make them relaxed and kind of keep going, you know? Maybe invest in some oil because, you know, sometimes skin to skin can get a little abrasive if you're doing massages just raw, I guess, with no lube. Lube being the massage oil, so maybe I should have said invest in some massage oil before this experience, but you know, if you don't have anything on hand, some body lotion works fine. So do that. Start massaging, and this is where you're going to start escalating. You're going to move up into the more sexy zones, but you're going to be somewhat teasing, okay? I don't want you going all handsy right away. I want you building anticipation, building it up. I'm trying to get you to the point where your partner, once they have the actual sex, they're going to basically die. It's gonna be, I don't even know how to describe it. It's too good for words. There you go. Step number 7, your massage is coming to an end. You're starting to go into the erogenous zones, and this is step number 7. Now it is time for the actual foreplay. Kiss them. Do stuff to their private parts, whatever you want to do. They are ready for it at this point. They've had the touching, they've had you whispering in their ear. They want the actual thing now. But, you know, keep it going a little bit slowly. You know, there's no rush. It's Valentine's Day. You should be romantic. You should spend some time with your partner, you know, getting things oiled up because I don't know where I'm going with this, but you do. So touch their body parts. Maybe throwing a finger in there somewhere, if you know what I'm talking about. Do stuff to them, and you know, do whatever you want. You are in control, and if you tell them what to do at this point, they're gonna be like, okay, master, and they're gonna do it, and it's gonna be awesome, okay? Which leads me to my final step, step number 8, which is start having sex. At this point, they're ready. You can even take the blindfold off at this point and have sex. You know, you can leave the blindfold on. There is variety here. You can do whatever you want. At this point, there has been so much arousal, so much buildup, so much anticipation. They are so horny. They want it. They're going to have an orgasm within like 2 seconds, okay? If you keep dirty talking, if you keep touching and doing all this kind of stuff that I've gone over in the past steps, then you basically win, and this Valentine's Day sex is going to be like unbelievable, and they're going to love you forever. So if that's your goal, then do these 8 things. A little bonus step at the end maybe is, you know, once you wrap up, I mean, not like wrap up your thing, wrap up the actual sexual experience. Well, I mean, you should wrap up if you want to be safe. Once you've done your thing, tell them how much you love them. Bond with them. Spend some time with them. Spoon with them. Cuddle with them. Look into each other's eyes after that experience. You just had mind-blowing sex, and so you guys should revel in the fact that you did that. You should appreciate the fact that you did that. You should be happy you have a Valentine in which you can do these things with. So, yeah, do that, and your Valentine's Day sex will be amazing. So, I want you to come back and let me know how these Valentine's Day's experiences went, because I have a feeling if you did all these things, they are going to be amazing. They're going to be awesome. Your partner will remember it forever. You may remember it forever. And then you're going to be bonded, and this person's going to love you. And, you know, Valentine's Day is all about love. So, get out there, do these things, and it's going to be awesome. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.